So welcome to IELTS examination.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my name is Imran Yusuf, and you can call me Imran. I have done Masters in Political Science and LLB from Bahauddin Zikriya University, Multan. Currently, I am working in Police Department as Traffic Warden since 2007. My hometown is Multan, and Multan is very famous for its sands, its mangoes production.
Okay. So Imran, can you tell me the traffic conditions? How are they going in your country?
As far as traffic conditions are concerned, sir, my country is lagging behind in traffic rules, regulations, and implementations. There are so much traffic-related problems, including narrow roads, traffic jams, and so much poisonous emitting vehicles on the roads. And there are some efforts are going to make betterment in this regard, but overall, the condition is not very good, and traffic problems are too much.
Okay, so can you give me a suggestion that by which we can improve these conditions?
Sir, we can improve in these conditions by making stakeholders on the board, by initiating proposals on department levels to high ups in shape of better road management, better signal management, and in transport authority there is need of so much policy changes regarding the giving of route permits to the heavy vehicles and their usage of roads. So by taking these actions, we can make our traffic conditions better.
Okay, Imran. So now we're going to enter into IELTS 5.2.
Right, sir.
The topic is in front of you. Is a 1 minute to think over it. It's right with white on the paper. Your time starts now. Okay, stop writing. Starts.
Sir, I was a student of Government Comprehensive School, Multan. And my school was famous for its sports. And but lot of focus was on cricket and hockey. And I was a player of basketball from club level. When I entered the school, I saw that there is no team of basketball there. So I met to the sports officer and initiated my desire to make a team of basketball. They accepted my proposal and they allowed me to gather the boys for my team. So I went through the school and gathered my team of 10 boys, and we worked very hard and made a camp and basketball. And in inter-school level, laterally we won the cup of inter-school level. And after that, we some of our players, including myself, got selected for a board team of Multan region, and we played for Multan board across the country with different boards. And that was the improvement that I created in my school. And nowadays, since my initiative to now, the school's team performed very well, and each and every year after after quitting my school, basketball performance was very good. And now recently I visited my school, and I saw the current basketball team there, and I felt very happy to see them. They are going very well, and I hope that they.
Imran, do you play basketball these days?
Sir, off and on in weekend days, I go to a sports ground in my club and play for my club. Right, sir. Thank you so much.